If you don't love yourself, nobody else is going to love you. Love yourself first and embrace who you truly are. The more you love yourself, the more confident you are, and the brighter you'll shine. You are either as beautiful or as ugly as you believe you are. You define your own beauty. That's not the power anyone can have over you. You are worthy. You are beautiful. And you are capable. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. Believe in yourself, and others will believe in you. Love yourself, and others will love you too. Loving yourself starts with liking yourself, and liking yourself starts with believing in yourself. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. So start to keep faith in yourself, and you will find yourself loving yourself more and more. To fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness.